Hello everyone, welcome back with another video of Salesforce Geek channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about field level security and how you can manage it in bulk using Excel connector. So if you ever had to open 10 profile just to make a small change, you know how painful that can be. In this video, I will walk you through 3 real world examples. By the end, you will also see some common use cases where this approach can save you hours. So let's get started. So let's talk about the scenario 1. What exactly we are doing? We have a custom field called bank account on the account object. This field contains sensitive financial information, so we don't want everyone to see or edit it. Only the finance profile should be able to view it, but not make any changes. So let's see how we can achieve with this with the help of Salesforce Excel connector. So first of all, I'm going to move into other tools, then click on manage field level security. Then here, first of all, I need to select my profile, and in this case, it is going to be finance profile. Then I need to select my account object because the bank account field is on account object. Simply click on download, and here you will see all the fields available in terms of finance profile. Right now, here you can see bank account is a field on row number 12, right? Currently, you can see it is false on both the readable and editable criteria. But as per the scenario, we need to allow this particular team to view the bank account. So on this row, we need to type true and simply select this row again, click on update, select it. Once this is done, you will get the operation result, that means updated and date time stamp as well. If you get any kind of error, it will be displayed here as well. Now this is the first use case where you are just playing with the profile level. In the second scenario, I'm going to show you how you can do with the help of permission set. So what exactly we are going to do, your support team is running a short campaign and needs to edit a field called renewal eligibility on the account of, but you don't want to modify their main profile. So you will create a permission set just for this project called renewal project edit access. So we have a permission set for this particular scenario, that is renewal project edit access, right? And let's see how we are going to do that. So I will simply going to add a new tab just for the clarity, and here I'm going to select other tools, then click on manage field level security. And this time I don't need to select any profile but permission set instead. So here you can see we have renewal project edit access. I am going to select this, and then I need to select the object. So in this case, again, account. Let's click on download. I need to go through that particular field that I need to update, and in this case it is called renewal eligibility. You can also see on row number 35 that I just highlighted. So currently it is on false cases, both in terms of readable and editable behavior. But as per the scenario, what exactly we need to do? We need to set them as true for both, because to any user which we are going to assign this particular permission set should be able to view and edit the field. So what exactly I am going to do? I am going to set true in the editable column. And what I am going to do? I am simply going to select this particular row and click on update selected. Now you have a question like, Shubham, you did not add true on the readable column, right? And if you are providing access to editability of a particular field, you don't need to provide the readability access, because automatically you are giving that access to the permission set. And how? Because let's say if I'm going to refresh it, so here you can see both the column with readable and editable for this particular row is true. And that's the standard behavior. You can also see in the standard profile level, if you click on edit, the read checkboxes also get selected. So that's how Excel connector as well managing the same kind of behavior here. Now we have our third use case where we are going to see like how you can update both profile and permission set in a single tab. So the scenario that we have for this particular use case, you created a new field on the account object called customer feedback score. Now two teams need access to it, but with different permission levels. First is customer support profile and the second is product feedback admin. Let's see what exactly we are going to do in this use case. So I'm simply going to click on new tab, and here I will click on manage field level security. First of all, I'm going to select my profile, that is going to be customer support. So here it is, custom support profile, and I also need to select the permission set as well. So that is product feedback admin permission set. Then the field is available on the account object. So again, I'm going to select the account object in this case and click on download. So now customer feedback score you can see on row number 15, and if I scroll it down, you can also see customer feedback on row number 54. So one customer feedback score is in front of profile and one is in front of permission set. So I hope you get it what exactly it is showing. So now let's see one by one. First of all, on row number 15, you can see both the readable and editable are false. But we only need to provide the readable condition in terms of profile. Like customer support profile users will only be able to see this particular field but not be able to edit it. So what exactly we will do? We will set this particular readable column as true for this particular row. Now for row number 54, we are going to set the editable to true, right? So readability will automatically gets true. So I will simply select this row and then simply move to row number 15 and select this row as well. Now I will click on update and update selected. So here you can see operation is basically updated and along with the timestamp, and let's see for the second row, here it is updated as well. So that's how you can see we can basically update with profile and permission set in a single go as well. Now let's talk about some common use cases. These are real situations where Excel connector can save you a lot of time. First, granting access to new custom fields. Let's say your team added 10 new fields on the opportunity object. Instead of going into each profile manually, you pull them into Excel, update the field level access in one go, and push them back to Salesforce. Second, cleaning up profiles after a merger. Maybe your company merged with another one and you are reducing 20 profiles down to 6. Before deleting old ones, you can compare field access quickly in Excel and adjust everything without opening each profile one by one. Third, granting temporary access for projects. Let's say a team needs access to a field for just a few weeks. Assign a permission set, update it via Excel, and when the work is done, just remove it. You can even save the Excel file and reuse it in the future. Fourth, before UAT. When setting up test users, you can configure exact field access without over permissioning anyone. This makes testing faster and safer. Fifth, after deployment. You have just deployed new fields or objects. Now you need to apply access across multiple profiles. Don't waste time doing it manually. Use Excel connector and update all profiles in minutes. So, if you are a Salesforce admin or developer, managing field level access is something you do regularly. Doing it manually is time consuming and risky as well. But using Excel connector with Excel lets you move fast, make fewer mistakes, and stay in control of your org's security. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your Salesforce team. And thanks for watching.